This is Venkat Sai, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Autonomous Department of Electrical and Electronical Engineering, subject matrix and calculus, topic matrix in matrix. A matrix represents a collection of numbers arranged in an order of rows and columns. It is necessary to enclose the elements of a matrix in parentheses or brackets. A matrix with 9 elements is shown below. This matrix has 3 rows and 3 columns. Each element of matrix can be referred to by its row and column number. For example, A to 3 is 6. Order of a matrix. The order of a matrix is defined in terms of its number of rows and columns. Order of a matrix is equal to number of rows into number of columns. Therefore, matrix is a matrix of order 3 into 3. Transpose of a matrix. The transpose of an m into n matrix is the n into n matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of matrix. If A is equal to Aij m into n, then A transpose is equal to Bij n into m, where Bij is equal to Aji. Properties of transpose of a matrix. Properties of transpose of a matrix. A transpose into transpose. A transpose whole bracket transpose is equal to A. A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. A into B transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Singular and non-singular matrix. Singular matrix. A square matrix is said to be singular matrix if its determinant is 0. Therefore, mod A is equal to 0. Non-singular matrix. A square matrix is said to be non-singular matrix if its determinant is non-zero. Properties of transpose of a matrix. A transpose whole bracket transpose is equal to A. A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. A into B transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Non-singular and singular matrix. Singular matrix. A square matrix is said to be singular matrix if its determinant is 0. Therefore, mod A is equal to 0. Non-singular matrix. A square matrix is said to be non-singular matrix if its determinant is non-zero. Square matrix. A square matrix has as many rows as it has columns. Therefore, number of rows is equal to number of columns. Systematic matrix. A square matrix is said to be systematic if the transpose of original matrix is equal to its original matrix. Therefore, A transpose is equal to A. Schi-symmetric. A schi-symmetric or antisymmetric or antimetric matrix is a square matrix whose transpose equal its negative. Therefore, A transpose is equal to minus A. Diagonal matrix. A diagonal matrix is a matrix in which the enters outside the main diagonal are all zeros. The term usually refers to square matrices. Identity matrix. A square matrix in which all the elements of the principal diagonal are 1 and all other elements are zeros. Identity matrix is denoted as I. Orthogonal matrix. A matrix is said to be orthogonal if A into A transpose is equal to A transpose A is equal to I. Idempotent matrix. A matrix is said to be idempotent if A square is equal to A. Involuntary matrix. A matrix is said to be involuntary if A square is equal to I. Adjoint of a square matrix. Properties of adjoint. A into adjoint A is equal to adjoint A into A is equal to mod A in. Adjoint AB is equal to adjoint B into adjoint A. Mod adjoint A is equal to mod A n minus 1. Adjoint Ki is equal to Kn minus 1 adjoint A. Inverse of a square matrix. A inverse is equal to adjoint A by mod A. Here, mod A should not be equal to 0, means matrix A should be non-singular. Properties of inverse. A minus 1 whole bracket minus 1 is equal to A. Second. A into B minus 1 is equal to B minus 1 into A minus 1. Third. Only a non-singular square matrix can have an inverse. Trace of a matrix. Let A is equal to Aij, n into n is a square matrix of order n. Then the sum of diagonals elements is called the trace of a matrix, which is denoted by trace A. Trace A is equal to A11 plus A22 plus A33 plus so on plus ANN. Remember, trace of a matrix is also equal to the sum of eigenvalues of the matrix. For example, trace A is equal to 1 plus 5 plus 9 is equal to 15. Properties of trace of matrix. Let A and B be any two square matrices of order n. Then trace Ka is equal to K, trace A, where K is a scalar. Trace of A plus B is equal to trace A plus trace B. Trace of A minus B is equal to trace A minus trace B. Trace of A into B is equal to trace of B into A. Solutions of a system of linear equations. Linear equations can have three kinds of possible solutions: no solutions, unique solution, infinite solution. Rank of a matrix. Rank of a matrix is the number of non-zero rows in the row reduced from, or the maximum number of independent rows, or the maximum number of independent columns. Let A be any m into n matrix and it has square submatrices of different orders. A matrix is said to be of rank R. It satisfies the following properties. It has at least one square submatrices of order R who has non-zero determinant. All the determinants of square submatrices of order R plus 1 are higher than R are 0. Rank are denoted as P of A. If A is a non-singular matrix of order n, then rank of A is equal to n. Therefore, P of A is equal to n. Properties of rank of a matrix. If A is a null matrix, then P of A is equal to 0. Therefore, rank of null matrix is 0. If n is the n into n unit matrix, then P of A is equal to n. Rank of a matrix A, m into n. P of A less than or equal to minimum n comma n, because P of A less than or is equal to m and P of A less than or is equal to n. If P of A n into n is equal to n, if mod A is not equal to 0. System of non-homogeneous linear equations Ax is equal to 0. If P of A is to B is not equal to P, A, no solutions. If P of A is to B is equal to P of A is equal to the number of unknown variables, unique solution. If P of A is to B is equal to P of A is not equal to number of unknown infinite number of solutions. Here P of A is to B is rank of cross elimination, respiration of Ax is equal to B. These are two states of the linear equation system. Thank you.